For the sake of our visitors, we know that in our culture, Kola does not understand the vernacular. We normally use the language for the Kola to bless the Kola. My leaders, if you come to Igbo land and they didn't present this thing to you, it is a symbol that you are not welcome. No matter if the person gives you power, the person gives you anything without this Kola, you know that the person is not your friend, or the person didn't welcome you. So on behalf of Ohaneze Youth Council, the Upper Socio-Cultural Youth Organization of Igbo Nation, I present this Kola, a symbol of saying welcome, a symbol of love, a symbol of peace. I present this Kola to our brothers from Middle Belt, because by way of culture, by way of belief, they are our close brother. Everything about them and everything about us, the difference is not up to 2%. So, my leader, I present this Kola to you people. Thank you.
First of all, we want to appreciate this warm reception from our brothers in Igbo Nation. In fact, we received this reception with much gratitude that we have received. Since we came in yesterday, we have been receiving very, very good hospitality. We've taken your fresh wine, and here again we have the tradition glaring before us. We used to see it in the Igbo Nigerian movie. When you are welcome, you are given this. We thank you very much for accepting us, and as we discuss our reconciliation processes, but we have understanding. Thank you very much.